Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Pyle Drum Set, the Pyle Portable Tabletop Drum Machine Kit, the PTED01 model. If you're looking for a versatile and affordable electric drum kit, this one might be the perfect option for you. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a pro looking for a portable solution, this set has a lot to offer. The Pyle PTED01 is a compact digital drum machine that packs a punch with 7 responsive drum pads. It's designed to feel and sound like a real drum set, making it an ideal choice for anyone who wants to practice or perform without needing a full-size kit. It's perfect for those who want to jam out at home or even take their drumming on the road. The best part is that it's incredibly portable. Powered by either the included AC adapter or 6C size batteries, you can play it anywhere, anytime. What's great about the PTED01 is how it connects to your computer. With a simple USB cable, you can turn it into a MIDI controller for your favorite music software. This feature adds a whole new level of functionality, allowing you to create custom beats, record tracks, or experiment with different sounds. Plus, it's compatible with both Mac and PC, so no matter what system you use, it fits right in. The drum kit is equipped with a built-in speaker, so you can crank up the volume and play for an audience, but if you prefer a more private session, there's also a headphone jack for personal listening. Whether you're rehearsing for a gig or practicing late at night, you won't disturb anyone around you. The drum machine also has an LCD screen with control buttons, giving you the flexibility to adjust your sound, customize settings, and fine-tune your music. This electric drum kit is more than just a practice tool. You can use it to record your own beats and mix them with pre-recorded drum kits or songs. It's a great way to create and experiment with different rhythms and musical styles. The built-in audio controls give you a ton of options to tailor your sound to whatever you're working on. It's a fantastic option for musicians who want to bring their ideas to life without investing in a more complex setup. For those of you who want to make music anytime, anywhere, the Pyle PTED01 is the ultimate choice. It's portable, it's versatile, and it's user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, this drum kit is ready to help you take your music to the next level. So, if you're in the market for a budget-friendly electric drum kit with plenty of features, the Pyle PTED01 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one.